Once upon a time, in a jungle, there was an elephant named Ella. Ella was very self-conscious about her big ears. She thought they were too large and made her look funny. One day, while playing with her friends, they got stuck in the mud. Ella tried to pull them out with her trunk, but it wasn't strong enough. Just as they were about to give up, Ella remembered something her mother had said. "Your big ears may be different, but they are also your greatest strength." Ella used her big ears to lift and pull her friends out of the mud. They were so grateful and praised her for her unique feature. Ella realized that what she thought was a weakness was actually a special gift. From then on, she proudly showed off her big ears and used them to help others in need. Moral of the story: what makes you different can also be your greatest strength. Embrace your uniqueness and use it to help others.